In your exercise file, you have another image. We've used this one before, but it is 477_3016030 from our friends at Photospin. And basically, it's an image of a snowy evening. Almost looks like New York City to me, but I'm not sure. And it's just a photo of some snow on a dark night with some street lights. And I want to print it. Now, let's pretend you took the photo. So your eyes saw something before you snapped the shutter. You then brought it into Photoshop and begin manipulating it. And the next step is you want to print it. And you would like that process from camera to Photoshop to printer to be as smooth as possible. And I don't blame you. Another thing that you can do that can help if you use PostScript devices like inkjet printers, some higher end ones are PostScript as well as lasers, and of course 4-color presses. If I come up to the word edit on the pull down menu and go down to assign profile. Now this document is not color managed. So the printer, when it gets it, is probably going to look at it and say, okay, this is what I think I'm supposed to see, so this is what I'm going to print. If I come into this button right here and select Profile, let me turn off Preview for a second, you will notice that I have a bunch of stuff. Now, you very likely won't see the same stuff I have. If you did, I'd be surprised. I do a lot of Nikon, so I got a lot of Nikon stuff up there. I do have an HP OfficeJet Pro 8500, and I can say, well, let me try glossy brochure media. Turn the preview back on, watch. See how it changed? Well, Photoshop is instructing the monitor to show me the image as best as possible, what it would look like if, and this is a big if, I'm using the prescribed inks and papers, all that's got to be put into the equation, and I print it off on that OfficeJet printer. If you've got a different printer, you're going to see it here. Maybe I could go into Advanced Photo Tricolor. Changes a little bit more. You have the ability to embed this profile. Now, to what end? Well, if I don't like what I see, I can then begin to change the image. I can go into levels, I can go into curves, I can readjust the image to fit the device it's going out to. Assigning a profile to me on really good color images is important because it helps the output device, if it can read it, and that's PostScript devices, to give you a better output visually of what you expected and what you saw on your monitor, from camera to Photoshop to print. On to the next.